Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to add stickers to snaps on Snapchat. So if you also want to add stickers to snaps on Snapchat, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So in Snapchat, you'll be able to add the stickers to snaps. It is a very cool feature of Snapchat. So if you also want to enjoy this feature of adding the stickers to snaps, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Snapchat. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once the Snapchat is opened, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to click the snap. Let me just quickly create a snap. Now, after you create a snap, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Before sending the snaps to your friend, you'll be able to add the stickers to your snaps. If you look at right, you'll be able to find several icons over here. Over here, what you have to do is find the icon for sticker. It looks like a square with one folded corner. Once you find the sticker icon, all you have to do is tap on it. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see the stickers over here. You'll be able to see varieties of stickers over here. You can tap on any sticker that you want to use, or you can also search for this sticker if you want. Simply tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now search for the sticker of your choice. After that, you'll be able to see the results over here. You can also see the Jiffy. Also, you'll be able to see the stickers. Simply tap on the sticker that you want to add. Now after that, you can see over here the sticker will be added. You can also pinch the sticker to resize it. Simply place and resize the sticker according to your choice. After that, you can go ahead and send the snap. So that is how you add stickers to snap on Snapchat. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.